The funding floor just collapsed. USAID is gone. EU budgets are tightening. And most organizations are still running M&E the exact same way they did in 2015. That is not a small problem. That is an existential one. If you manage grant portfolios, run accelerators, lead fellowships, evaluate programs, or if you've ever spent weeks cleaning spreadsheets just to write a report that's already outdated, this series is built for you. Make sure to like and subscribe to follow the full masterclass. Here's the reality most people don't talk about. The average time from data collection to final report, 12 to 18 months. Organizations spend 80% of their M&E time just cleaning data. And decisions are being made on 5% of available context. Why? Because someone built a survey in KoboToolbox. The data exported to Excel. A consultant ran NVivo 3 months later. Someone else built a Power BI dashboard from a different file, and none of it talks to each other. That is not monitoring and evaluation. That is archaeology. There's a moment every traditional M&E tool hits. I call it the selection cliff. You collect during applications. You select participants, and then the tools stop. The data gets abandoned. The journey gets lost. Sopact is built to track the complete life cycle, from application through long-term outcomes. So what does a modern M&E system actually look like? Layer 1, multi-source data collection. All your surveys, forms, interviews, unified from day one. AI native, not bolted on, built that way. Layer 2, lifecycle management. Persistent, unique IDs that follow every participant automatically. No more which Sarah is this. No more lookup nightmares. Layer 3, continuous intelligence, qualitative and quantitative analyzed together. 1,000 open-ended responses, coded, themed, cross-tabulated in 4 minutes, not 4 months. In this 7-video series, here is exactly what we cover. Video 1, why traditional M&E tools are failing. Video 2, clean at source architecture. Video 3, longitudinal tracking that actually works. Video 4, qualitative and quantitative unified. Video 5, AI-powered analysis, real workflows. Video 6, reporting in minutes. And video 7, a full Sopact implementation walkthrough. You're about to get a complete system. Not just tips, not just tools, but an architecture for M&E that's built for AI readiness. This is the masterclass I wish existed when we started building Sopact. 2 things before you go. First, hit subscribe, that red button, right now. Ring the bell so you never miss one. Second, bookmark this playlist. Save it. Come back in order. The system builds video by video. Ready? Let's get into it. Video 1 is next. Click it now.